My name is KHOIRUNNISA RAHMA. I'm from TE1A. This time, I will explain about telecommunication device, namely the power supply. How does the power supply form? Just watch it.
Power supply is an electronic device that functions to supply electrical energy to an electronic device. The most important function of a power supply is to convert one form of electrical energy to another form of electrical energy. Because of its function, the power supply device can sometimes be referred to as an electric power convert device. In telecommunication, usually this power supply is used to regulate DC current in the circuit that we are practicing.
Straight to how to use it. To use the power supply, first, plug the cable into the socket to get electricity. The second one turns on the on-off button and waits until the light turns red. After that, we begin to set the voltage to adjust the power supply voltage using a tool called the multimeter. So that we can adjust the size of the voltage, we turn the probe next to the button on off. Adjust the voltage according to frame. After that, to connect to the circuit, the use of PNC cable, or commonly called a crocodile camper. After that, we attach the PNC cable to the circuit we made.
Okay, until here is my explanation. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.